So we had an old skylight on our roof that was kind of falling apart, and I think it was causing leaks into our building, so we needed to have that removed. My experience with the family-owned company was actually amazing. I dealt with Andy. Andy was very quick to respond. He came by, I think on a Thursday, checked out what the issue was, and took a look at the skylight and saw that it did in fact have to be removed. And he moved fast. He moved very quickly. He came by on a Thursday, and we had scheduled roofers on Saturday. So it was really impressive to me. So again, like I said, Andy came on Thursday, checked everything out. His workers came on Saturday, and I remember calling Andy and saying, hey, listen, if they can't come on Saturday, because Saturday was in the single digits, and he was gonna have 2 men on the roof. And I was like, listen, if you need to reschedule for another time, that's totally fine. But he was like, no, it's no problem. We can absolutely do it. They came punctually, and those guys did a lot of hard work in the freezing winter, did a very thorough and exceptional job, and finished in a day. So everything was done from first appointment to finished job in 3 days, which was really impressive to me. To make the experience better, I don't think so, because the things that I look for when I'm contracting out different work is fast response, good communication, quality work, and Couto did all of that. The quality of work was amazing, the communication was amazing, and even on the day that the guys were here doing the job, Andy was checking in with me like multiple times during the day. Hey, how's it going? Is everything going smoothly? Do you need anything? And I didn't expect that. But I got the feeling that he, wanted me to be happy, wanted to make sure the job was going to be done correctly and well and to my satisfaction, and he, made sure of that by following up a lot. So that was impressive to me. Go with Couto. For me, I am always very skeptical when I'm dealing with somebody that I'm hiring. If I don't know anything about what they're doing, I feel like people can very easily take advantage of you. And I did not get that feeling with Couto at all. Go with Couto. They are trustworthy. They do really good work. And for me, one of the things that I'm a very skeptical consumer, because if I don't know anything about the profession of the work that I'm having done, I always feel like they can easily take advantage of you, because you wouldn't know either way. But Couto gave a very fair price and was very open about everything, and did an amazing job. And to me, they are very trustworthy. They're honest. They're hardworking, and that's what you need when you're looking for people to do work for you. So highly recommend.